Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Highfield Cascade local and long-distance movers near me. When moving internationally, there are so many things that you need to take care of. From those things, moving is an unavoidable task. You will require help to complete your long-distance move on time and safely. 3 Movers is a long-distance moving company that can easily handle your long-distance move. We will pack your belongings, load them in your truck, and then transport it to your new home. Furthermore, we will unpack it in your new home if you want. We offer transparent prices with no hidden and extra costs. We evaluate prices as per your budget needs. You can rely on us for the safety of your belongings. We even offer a storage facility for the items you want to be stored for any reason. In addition, we can offer door-to-door service as per your need and references. When you are moving locally, many individuals think that they can do it all by themselves. But the truth is, it is as difficult as a long-distance move. Items still need to be packed in different boxes, furniture needs to be lifted, and transporting still needs to be done. Therefore, hiring a professional moving company is the right thing to do. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Highfield Cascade moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.